guys, Em here from the fashion and beauty blog, The Lipstick Fever. I have partnered up with All Things Hair to help educate you guys on various hair topics. Today, I'm going to share tips and tricks that I've learned from the All Things Hair beauty editors. So this video's hair topic is best dry shampoo for color treated hair. This is a favorite topic for me because I feel like dry shampoo is my holy grail hair product. I can't live without it. I'm using it every single day. Even if I have washed my hair in the morning, I might use it again later on in the night before I go out just to give my hair a little refresh or a little pick me up. And also it helps to preserve my hair color in between washes. So a couple rules when it comes to dry shampoo. As someone who color treats their hair, colors their hair, we really should be decreasing the number of washes in between salon visits. So dry shampoo is going to do just that for you. So rule number 2 is you want to find the best dry shampoo for your hair type. So we're going to go through some product recommendations today to help you guys through. Also, I feel like women with color treated hair have some of the worst experiences with dry shampoo because it can leave behind that chalky white residue. I know that I've experienced that in the past. We definitely don't want that. So I feel like there are amazing options on the market. So we'll get right into the product recommendations. So first up we have Suave Professionals Keratin Infusion Dry Shampoo. This one is perfect for extending your blowout. So this one is going to absorb the oil in your scalp and leave your hair feeling really, really clean. Also, it's going to keep your hair really manageable in between washes. And then lastly, because of the keratin infusion, it has those smoothing effects, making this perfect for someone with curly hair. So a couple tips when using dry shampoo. So tip number 1, you want to shake the can before use and then during to shake the product up while also focusing on your scalp. So next up we have Dove Refreshing Care Volume and Fullness Dry Shampoo. So this one removes oil without leaving any residue. So it's great for reviving and refreshing your hair in between washes. It also has this like light smelling scent, leaving your hair feeling super squeaky clean. And then lastly, it is gonna give your hair a little bit of body and volume. It's not gonna weigh your hair down, making this perfect for someone with fine hair. So tip number 2 is you wanna spray the dry shampoo in lifted sections. I like to start from the bottom and then work my way up. Last but not least, we have Tresemme Fresh Start Volumizing Dry Shampoo. This one is best for, you guessed it, adding volume. So this one is infused with mineral clay and citrus, leaving no residue behind. It's also going to remove any excess oil and eliminate odor. Also, it's this weightless fine mist, so just a quick spray at your roots and it instantly revitalizes your hair. Tip number 3, you want to massage the dry shampoo after you spray it into your scalp so that the oil absorbs evenly. My favorite hands down is the Dove Refreshing Care because it's super lightweight, so it instantly removes any oil, makes my hair feeling really clean, while also giving it a little bit of body and volume. This video has been sponsored by All Things Hair, powered by Unilever. Thank you guys so much for watching. You can subscribe to All Things Hair on YouTube, and you can check out the rest of the hair topics and hair videos at allthingshair.com. We'll see you guys next time.